Good morning, everyone. My name is Simhadri Giris, BTech CSE. I have done my social internship in health and hygiene domain. So let's begin. Understanding the domain health and hygiene. Let's keep aside the word health. Let's understand about hygiene. What is hygiene? Hygiene means keeping ourselves and our surroundings neat and clean. So these are the points that I observed in my social internship, like poor awareness about personal hygiene practices in undeserved communities, limited access to clean drinking water and proper sanitation facilities, and these are the other things that I have already mentioned. So the solution to these points are like ensuring access to clean drinking water, promoting sanitation and hygiene practices, and focusing more on sustainable development goals like good health and well-being, clean water and sanitation, and sustainable clean and communities. Then my 7 day journey learning and hurdles. Um, in these 7 days, I visited villages and conducted surveys and communicated with stakeholders, and also when I communicated with the hospital stakeholders to learn about what type of hygiene practices they include when they conduct campaigns in the villages. And the my key learning experiences are the government should provide clean drinking water in all the villages. The health and education department should focus more on educating the villagers on hygiene practices, and other like providing them public toilet facilities. Then the challenges that I faced in my social internship are some people didn't responded at all. Some people angrily responded when I asked questions, and uh, the way in which I responded, I with calmly I responded them, and I focused more on those who were listening in the survey. Observed outcomes and a short case study. I visited 4 villages: Nidakhantaguda, Rangamatigoda, Sanakusumi, and Kusumi. Uh, when I communicated with the villagers, I get to know that the villagers were facing waterborne diseases like typhoid, dysentery, and diarrhea, and other diseases like sickling and malaria. So, uh, so key solution to those I've already mentioned, like a proper waste management system, like dry and wet wastes, and recyclable and cyclable waste and others. So these are the geotagged photos of the field that I did in my social internship. I completed my LP task during these days. I from Aram to Brahma level, and then I played word cruise and explored Mahabharata, and shared with peers, interviewed an elder about yoga. I acknowledged more about yoga when I discussed about this topic with elders, and played lippy games with children to spread awareness, gain deeper knowledge about sustainability, traditions, and self growth. Thank you.